In today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix the WhatsApp messages not delivering. If the messages only have a single gray tick or are stuck on the clock icon, then let me show you the likely solutions that you can try out. Firstly, make sure that your internet connection is stable and try switching between networks such as your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. The second thing that you can do immediately is try to update the app of WhatsApp. So head over to the Play Store, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you hit that update button. Also, what you can do is uninstall the app of WhatsApp from your phone and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the newest version of WhatsApp, and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue will be immediately fixed. What you can also lastly try out is try to reboot your phone. So just tap and hold the power button on your phone and then restart it. By doing these simple steps, you should be able to fix this issue. Now, however, if the issue is still fixed, what you can also try out is try to send a message using a different device and try to see if it goes through. If it does not go through on the different device as well, then it likely means the issue is on the WhatsApp side, and you just need to wait out a couple of minutes or sometimes maybe even a couple of hours before the issue is automatically fixed. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.